In this video, we are going to show how to create and edit hatch patterns inside Trimble Business Center version 3.40. Here we have two simple rectangles that we want to apply a hatch pattern to. To do that, we're going to go to create hatch command located under CAD hatch tab, and we need to select an object we're applying a hatch to, and then we can choose either one of the predefined or we can do a user-defined pattern. So here we can choose a pattern available from the list. This pattern actually comes from your Trimble Business Center installation folder. Under support folder IV, you can notice the trimble.pat pattern file. So you can replace this with your AutoCAD pattern file or any other pattern file that you may have. So after you choose the pattern, you can choose the scale and the angle and say preview, and you can see how that pattern appears in the screen. If you change the scale, for example, to 5 and preview, you can see the effects of that change. Once you're happy, you hit apply. Same for any other objects, or if you want to create your user defined, so you can specify a line spacing here and do a preview. So for the vertical lines, we can change the spacing to 0.2 and specify an angle of 40 degrees. Preview, you can see the effects of that pattern. Saying apply applies the pattern. Another thing to note when you're moving objects, so if you select this object and if you go to move objects command, notice a couple of options here for the move. So if you select move from here to here, notice if you enable dragging, first the object moves and then the pattern follows, versus if you select update dependent objects while dragging, so choosing a from to location, notice how the pattern travels with the object. That concludes our video on how to use hatch patterns inside Trimble Business Center version 3.40.